Hi friends, this video is about Nora Fatehi, the famous belly dancer. Nora Fatehi is a multi-talented actress, as we all know. Her followers adore her for whatever she does, from dancing to acting. In addition, she is also very generous in showing her skills and her beauties. The artist is fantastic belly dancer, as most people know, and she often showcases her abilities on numerous platforms. Some of us do not know, but Nora rose to fame in India after appearing on Big Boss Season 9, and a video of her belly dancing on the show has gone viral at that time. She often posts her videos and photographs on Instagram. Some days ago, when Nora Fatehi vanished from Instagram, the internet was turned upside down. It came as a surprise because the actress had been flooding her millions of followers with photos and videos from her current Dubai vacation. The news spread like wildfire, and her followers and well-wishers speculated about her sudden departure. However, her fans may breathe a sigh of relief as the street dancer 3D actress has returned to Instagram. In an official note, Nora also stated the reason for her absence. Well guys, like the video and do subscribe our channel for more news about Nora Fatehi.